so this is Forrest Tech Reviews doing a battle comparison between the Umidigi F1 and the new mobile G3 Plus. I'm shooting this in 1080p at 30 frames per second on both phones because that's the most you can shoot on both phones. But y'all let me know how I look and how I sound. I'm gonna switch the audio back and forth from each phone. Do y'all see any type of problems? Which one actually has the best stabilization? I'm holding both phones and talking at the same time. But let's see. Any type of focusing problems? I don't see any, but let's wait until we get back into the computer. I'm gonna come back and do 720p just to see. Look at the grass. Look, that's me holding the phones. No type of equipment. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Pick a winner in the comments. Definitely, both phones are doing really good. I'm enjoying both phones, to believe it or not. I'm gonna come back with the 720p in just a moment. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 720p on the Umidigi versus the new mobile G3 Plus. What y'all think about it? Look, slow pan. Could you use both of these phones for your cameras every day? I think so. I mean, they definitely have some room for improvement, but they actually work out pretty good. The camera apps could use some help, give you some more options. But overall, the performance on both phones have been really good. Y'all let me know how this looks. How does the audio sound? I'm going to switch them back and forth. Yes, I'm at my park where I normally go. I'm going to tell y'all a funny story. Don't laugh too much in the comments. And yes, I need a truck. But see this hole right here? It ate my minivan one day. It won. I tried to go through it long ways and the minivan got stuck, just say. I should have vlogged that, but I didn't. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this whole video. Again, how does everything look and sound? Let's get a discussion going. I'm gonna come back with nighttime video in just a moment. Until then, peace. Y'all have a great day. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing cameras on the Umidigi F1 versus the new mobile G3 Plus. What do y'all think about them? How do I look? How do I sound? How's that plane flying over my head sound? Could you actually use any of these phones for taking selfies or making videos using a front camera? Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Yes, I'm at my famous little park, just walking around, holding both phones. But again, what y'all thought about this whole video? Which one do you think did the better job? They both actually look pretty good from what I'm seeing on the phones. But y'all let me know. Look at the sky. But again, it's just been a test, a video. Just trying to show off these cameras on both of these budget phones. But y'all let me know what y'all thought about it. I'm gonna come back with some nighttime video. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is a nighttime video on the new mobile G3 Plus against the Umidigi F1. Look at Walmart across the street. What do y'all think about it? How do they both look? Look at the sky. Which one looks the best overall? Yes, I'm in my normal parking lot. Look, there's a light. And y'all know Big Lots is coming up. There's Big Lots. Again, I'm just holding the phones. The G3 looks like it's having problems with the lights, I guess. I don't know what it's doing. But what y'all think about it? Could you use both of these phones at nighttime? What y'all thought about this whole video? Pick your favorite phone. Leave a comment on why. How does the audio sound on both phones too? But it's just been a quick video test at nighttime on 1080p at 30 frames per second. Look at my shadow. Well, y'all let me know what y'all think about this whole video in the comments. Until next time, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera on both phones. What do y'all think about it? The Umidigi F1 versus the new mobile G3 Plus. Look, I'm spinning around. One thing I did notice is that the G3 Plus can only shoot in 720, where the Umidigi F1 can shoot all the way to 1080p, which is pretty good. I mean, actually that's real good because a lot of flagships can shoot in 1080p too, and that's it. But what y'all think about this whole video? Which one is your favorite? Put a comment down below. Let's get a discussion going. Could you use both of these phones? I don't know. How do I look? I think it looks pretty good. How do I sound on both phones? Just holding them, walking around. But y'all let me know what y'all thought about this whole video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so for more coverage on both phones. Follow me on Twitter at @4asReviews to become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here.